Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will do a makeup tutorial of Kaneki Ken from Tokyo Ghoul. So I have here my mask and wig, which I just bought locally. So they aren't branded, and my ghoul eyes or sclera eyes lenses, and the gray lenses for Kaneki's right eye. So these gray lenses are from Fancy that I just bought on the internet, and it's really soft and it feels very comfortable in your eyes. Like honestly, I can't even notice that I am wearing lenses. So there is an instruction and description inside the box. Make sure that your hands are clean before putting on your contact lenses. So I just put alcohol in my hands and let it dry naturally or air dry, and I also use contact lens cleaner for my hands as well. So Kaneki has ghoul eyes on the left, and on his right is his normal eye. So this is fairly easy to put on. It's just one slip and there you go. Now the sclera lens on the other hand is very hard. I had numerous tries on how to put it on, and I already cut out the video and then put it in because I think I tried to put it on for 10 times already, and it keeps falling off because it's just too big. But here you go, I got it in this time. And just push your hair back or just tie your hair or use a headband. So to start off, I'm using a dust proof makeup base from Etude House. That way it makes your skin pore free for the makeup to adhere to your face better. Also, I am putting on glue on my eyebrow because I want to cover some of my eyebrow hair, because my eyebrow hair is very unruly. That's why I need to cover it up. Here I'm putting on a concealer from Etude House as well. So I put one for my under eye and on my sides of my nose to cover up the imperfections like white heads, black heads, and on my lips as well because I want thinner lips. I have a very full and fat lip. Like, I'm Asian, but I have African lips. No offense, I'm not being racist. Alright, so I just use my finger to dab it here because I remember that I already threw away my old sponge. Just a little bit more. Now it's okay if you don't cover up your eye bags if you have those, because I noticed that Kaneki is a little bit stressed whenever he's a ghoul, so it's okay to have like a little bit of shadow under your eyes. So here I'm just using my sponge from my kitchen kit, and this is another concealer that I will use to cover up my eyebrow. So this is just a local brand that I got from a store. I don't remember what's in the store already, and I just dabbed it on. And now I am using this white eyeshadow pencil from, well, it's an eyeshadow crayon from NYX, and just use a brush to smooth it out a bit. Here I'm just using a local branded eye pencil to put in some shadow underneath my eyebrow and apply some translucent powder over it to set it in place and prevent it from smudging. You can also apply it to the rest of your face. And now I am lining my eyes to get that anime look. So I would rather use a waterproof eyeliner for this, but I don't have one on hand, so I'm just using this local brand. By the way, it smudges easily, so I don't really like it, but it's all I got. Alright, so just line the top. For the ghoul eyes, make sure to line both top and bottom of your eyelids. If you do make a mistake, you can just dip your cotton buds in some eye makeup remover and use that to wipe off the excess or the mistakes that you made. I'm just putting some translucent powder over it and lining it again just to set it. Okay, and here I'm using now my liquid eyeliner because I wasn't as much satisfied with the darkness of the eyeliner that I previously used. So this is just to put a little more definition on the outline of my eye. And I'm using some glitter powder or glitter eyeshadow at the bottom of my eyelids. Now, initially, I wanted to have a white eyebrow like in the anime here, but you know, it's a bit hard to do it because I have thick brows. So I did some research and I saw that he can also have black eyebrow. So now I'm just filling in the white part with my black eyeliner and drawing in some eyebrows. So Kaneki has this mean stare, so it's mean eyebrows. And if you do make a mistake, or if you want to cover up your original eyebrow, I just use a concealer. I love this concealer from Etude House because it conceals very good. And I found my sponge, so that's what I use to blend it all in. Just adjust the eyebrow to get that angry and mean expression that you want to look. The closer it is to your nose, the meaner you look. Well, as I was staring at myself, I found that it looks ugly, to be honest, but that's just how it is at first. I promise you that when you put on the wig, it'll look very different. So here I'm just putting on a hairnet and combing my unruly and excess hair into place. And just stuffing it all in. I have these little baby hairs here on top of my forehead. I could shave them off. You could too if you're wearing this like short bang wigs, but since Kaneki have long bangs, I can easily cover it up. So just adjust your wig to your liking. I'll fast forward this video for you. What I use is just some wax or glue to point out the tips of my wig. Concealer into my lips to minimize the roundness and the chubbiness of it, and I'll be drawing a shadow on my lip line in the middle to get a frown. At first I wanted to put like a smile, but then I changed my mind and turned it into a frowning shadow instead. And for anime guys, instead of using colorful lips like pink or orange or red hues, just use neutral shades since it is a guy after all and they don't wear any lipstick. So I use an eyeshadow for this, for the shadowing, and you can just use an eyeshadow brush and line the tips or the sides of your lips with it. Now for my lip color, I used my NYX lingerie lip gloss or lipstick, liquid lipstick. And here I just wanted to do some darker shade in the middle, so I'm just applying a bit of darker red and blending it out using a cotton bud. So this is almost the final look. I'll just go and change clothes and do a little bit of touch up, then I'll show you some bonus TikTok videos at the end and a slideshow of my photos and selfies. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Whew, this mask is really hot and it makes your face sweat so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and also stay tuned for my TikTok videos of Kaneki. Again, thank you. Have a great day. Bye guys.
When I popped off, then you go gave me just a little bit of love.
3、2、1、GO! 普通に
ダメ
セクシーに
ダメ
機械みたいに
ダメ
可愛く
ダメ
ショタボで
ダメだよ
イケボで
ダメ
ロリボも行こう
ダメだよ